Valley is geographically located in a very strategic place. It is part of the narrowest neck between North and South America, where a huge amount of flora and fauna, a huge amount of species interchange. They move north from South America and they move south from North America, and here they have this little winding narrow region to move through. And we call the area between that connects South America to North America through Central America, the Mesoamerican Biological Corridor. And it's globally recognized for its importance in supporting an extraordinary diversity of species for the small geographic area that it's in. And that indeed is one part of the definition of a biological hotspot, that there are many, many species there that are found nowhere else. And the second part of the definition of a biological hotspot is where there's lots of species and they're highly threatened. There's been a lot of conversion of tropical rainforests into agriculture and other human uses, and very little of the original rainforest is left. So the importance of protecting what is left and the importance of all the species diversity that's there is what makes the Mesoamerican Biological Corridor, and especially Panama, the narrowest part of that corridor, so incredibly important. We also have indigenous peoples there. Excuse me. We also have indigenous peoples there that are world-renowned for their ability to become recognized as a political entity and own and take care of their own land. And so the intact primary forests that remain are controlled by the local indigenous people. And this area, the Mamoni Valley, buffers that primary rainforest that is in the hands of the indigenous peoples. And indeed, EarthTrain and ecoReserve are working with the indigenous peoples that own the adjacent lands. It's absolutely critical to buffer those areas from impacts, to restore the edges of that primary forest that delineates the indigenous people's lands, in this case the Kuna Indian, and to be able to have a cultural interchange about the biological wealth and the restoration of these areas through training and partnership with the Kuna leadership and the Kuna youth.